Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where we make learning German easy and fun. Today, we learn the German alphabet from A to Z. Let's go step by step. Repeat after me.
A. Once again. A. B. Once again. B. C. Once again. C. D. Once again. D. E. Once again. E. F. Once again. F. G. Once again. G. H. Once again. H. I. Once again. I. J. Once again. J. K. Once again. K. L. Once again. L. M. Once again. M. N. Once again. N. O. Once again. O. P. Once again. P. Q. Once again. Q. R. Once again. R. S. Once again. S. T. Once again. T. U. Once again. U. V. Once again. V. W. Once again. W. X. Once again. X. Y. Once again. Y. Z. Once again. Z.
Great job! Now you know the German alphabet. If you want more German lessons, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tschüss! Bis zum nächsten Mal!